Why you should be drinking fair trade coffee. We'll go out on a limb here and say that if you're watching this video, you care about what you eat and drink. And that attention to detail probably extends far beyond how something tastes to encompass factors including sustainability, farming methods, and ethical labor practices. Here are 5 reasons why switching to Fair Trade Certified is not only better for you, but for the planet too. Fair Trade Certified isn't just a name. As you can tell by the name, Fair Trade Certified is actually a trademarked certification process for a sourcing model that aims to improve the livelihoods of producers, protect our earth, and build transparent and resilient global supply chains. When you buy Fair Trade Certified coffee, you're supporting a movement that is not only environmentally friendly, but also provides safe environments and sustainable livelihoods for farmers, all while supporting their communities. The coffee actually tastes better. It's not surprising that, given the dedication behind the scenes to produce it, Fair Trade Certified coffee Lyco Organics Colombia Roast just tastes better than the alternative. It's made by happier farmers. While Fair Trade Certified will never be the cheapest bag on the shelf, the little bit extra you pay makes a big difference when it comes to quality of life for the coffee producers. The price premium goes directly back to the people farming and producing your coffee, not some giant conglomerate, as coffees with this designation have been certified to source from farmers who work in safe conditions and earn fair wages. Drinking it is good for the environment. Fair Trade Certified coffee doesn't just benefit the farmers who produce the coffee, but the earth in which the coffee trees are grown. Beans that bear this designation have undergone rigorous testing to ensure they've been grown and harvested in a way that aligns with that country's sustainable development goals. You won't be limited to a few options. Coffee drinkers are a picky bunch, but switching to Fair Trade Certified coffee doesn't mean you'll suddenly be limited to 1 or 2 types of beans. It's simple to find a bean for every coffee drinker in the family, and you'll know you're supporting sustainable farming while you sip your cup. That is all. Thank you for watching.